Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi Mi 12S Ultra with cracked camera glass, but we're gonna replace the whole back cover. So let's get started. You can see there that the cameras are all working aside from that very obvious damage to its camera glass cover. So David is gonna perform just a quick fix on this one, and we're gonna remove the back cover. So typically we do this by just replacing the damaged part. We have seen us replace camera glass for Samsung devices and iPhones, but this time we're gonna replace the whole thing. I mean the back cover. So this one has a very wide camera glass up front. So those are LEICA camera systems, which I think very nice when you want to zoom in or have a wide angle. Later on, we're gonna test it, and you can see that this is actually a very capable camera, so it's gonna be a shame if we don't replace the camera glass on top of these giant multiple camera arrays. So we have removed the back cover, and we just have to clean up the residue from the adhesive so we can put fresh liquid glue, and it will allow us to fit the replacement display snugly on the back. If you have this kind of smartphone, it's recommended that you have a phone case, a good quality phone case, because if you drop it, that wide area with the glass components sticking out the back will get smashed, most likely. But no worries, David has some parts for us with its own adhesive strips, so we don't have to put our own liquid glue. We're gonna remove all the plastic covers on some parts. So if you have any smartphone that needs a new back cover, you can just order one. Just make sure it's for the correct model, and you remove all the plastics that will be covering all the glass, and you can just install it yourself. But if you're not sure of your capabilities, or you don't have the time to find the correct back cover, especially for Xiaomi Mi 12S device, then you can just head on to your local repair service technician and let them do this job for you. It's gonna be easy, quick. Look at that, it's like nothing ever happened to this smartphone. That's the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. Cheers. And this is the camera system. You can zoom in without losing any quality. 100 times zoom, 10x, 5x. Look at that. Very nice.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.